Hey guys, Mix here, and welcome to the part 3 of the Baja Warrior build. Today we're going to be going to a junkyard and look for a gas tank for this. So most Baja Warriors have like a gas tank right here, but usually they're just for show. So we're going to try and look for one, and we're also going to look for a seat. Alright, so we went to a bunch of junkyards, but they didn't really have what I was looking for, so I just ordered, the right one. Alright guys, it's a couple days later, and I got the gas tank and the throttle grip. So here's the gas tank. It looks really nice. It's a lot bigger than what I thought it would look. And here are the throttle grips. Alright, so all you have to do for this throttle grip is loosen these Allen keys until, it's big enough to go around the handlebar. And then just tighten it down so it's stay in place. Alright, so I got the throttle hooked up. It's turning nicely. And also I have the gas tank hooked up. It's really nice. But right now I only have one bolt on because the other hole doesn't line up, so I just have to drill another one. So we're back the next day working on the seat. I kind of already started working on it, but I didn't get bolts, and I thought of an idea to so this is what I did. I kind of sent a scissor through there without breaking the bottom, but kind of making like a cave kind of through the padding. So I sent a zip tie through there and bring it back around, so now it's kind of locked onto the frame. It's actually, holding on pretty good. So now I'm going to do the two sides. So this is what I do for the first step. As you can see, the bottom isn't broken, but it's just sent through there and there. So now what I do is I take this out and then put the zip tie through. So the zip ties through it like that, then I just wrap it around the frame. I ran out of zip ties, so I can't do this side. But I'm just going to leave it for now because the fabric is kind of going to wrap around it and kind of keep it down. So I'm trying to figure out how, to keep this fabric on. And I thought of an idea, but I need zip ties and I ran out. Since I don't have zip ties, I'm going to start up the engine and let it do its braking period. I was just reading the instructions, and it says to let it run for 3 hours, so I'm going to do that now. So I'm putting oil in it now, then I put in some fuel. Then hear this thing run for the first time ever. Alright guys, just fueled it up for the first time. Now let's see if it'll start up. Running pretty good. As you can see, the wood fell when I started it, but I need to get a kickstand for this. So I'm gonna let it, run for a little while and let it break in. All right, so we're back the next day again, and I got the zip ties, which I spray painted black, so I can't really see it. And I cut out the holes where the zip ties are gonna wrap around the frame. So let's get right into it. So the seat is now on. I think it looks pretty good. It's on there really good, so entire seat attached by zip ties. So I think it came out pretty nice. So now I have to let this run for 2 more hours because I ran it for an hour yesterday. So it has to finish its braking. And the braking period is finally over. It's starting to rain now. But I'm going to let the clutch cool down because it's super duper hot. And when I throttled it, it sparked. So I'm going to let it cool down, start it back up, and go for its first ride. Woo! First time on the road. Well, first time ever driving it. Chain's not coming off, so that's good. Wow, this feels a lot different. It's hard to balance a little. So I'm not gonna take it nice and slow for now. Let it get used to driving. Now I'm going to test out the brakes. Haven't really tested them yet. Let's see. They're pretty good. Wow, this is really hard to steer. It's alright though. Like, it feels like a Harley. Wow, geez, this is different. Wow. Pretty quick. I still have to put a bolt on for the gas tank, but I'm just, testing it for now. Wow, this is really different. It's so much heavier than my other mini bikes. I'm glad everything's working and everything. It's not like the red mini bike when the chain kept on popping off. Brakes are good. Alright, so I'm happy that everything's working. Just in time too, it's starting to rain. But if you guys enjoyed this series, let me know. Because this is it. This is pretty much the finale. I'll probably do moto vlogs on it and everything. But, and then start to full throttle it a little bit more. Because I'm still trying to break it in a little bit. But if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel. Thanks for watching.